So as promised, I put all of these circles onto the cube, and now it says the next, let's see, okay. For the holes that are being, pretty much you have to either pull out or push in those circles. For the holes that are being pushed in, push them in 0.25. For the holes that are being pushed out, push them out 0.25. And at least 2 pushed out should be on each side. So this is, I think this actually makes it look pretty cool. So you pick whichever ones you want, and then you just go in or out 0.25. Now I'm going to pause it and do this so I don't just waste time by pushing them in and pulling them out. And then in a second, you should see them all pushed in or pulled out. Okay, so we have all of these either pushed in or pushed out 0.25 now. Really gives it kind of a cool 3D look when you do that, in my opinion. And I do want everybody to attempt the extra credit. So here's how you do the extra credit. Rather than explaining it like that, I'll just show you personally on a block. So what you're gonna have to do for this is you got to take push pull and bring one of your circles back to normal level, so it's not pushed in or pushed out. You want to zoom in on the circle and using the rectangle tool, same thing when you're trying to find the center of something, you want to click the absolute top and the absolute left of the circle. And that should then triangulate over here. And you make a rectangle, or this should be making a rectangle. Oh, I guess I'm in a different rectangle tool. Okay, so either way, now it's triangulated. And you make a square perfectly going around that. And then you take the circle tool, you find the center again, and you make a circle like that. So the circle is bigger than the original circle, but it fits inside of the square. And you can take, you pretty much just click on the edges. I'll show you what you want to end up with. You could click on the individual edge and press the delete button. And you want to end up with those little arches. Like you'll see it forming on the bottom now. And so that little arch that you have, it's hard to click, and there is a way for you to click more than one thing at a time, but right now I'm just gonna show you me clicking the individual lines. If you did that and you click the wrong thing like here and press delete, something crazy is gonna happen. So just do, Control Z if that happens. And really just make sure you're clicking with some precision. Okay, so you're left with this now. This is what we were going for. And then you could take the rectangle tool and go to the top and bottom. Then you kind of want to click out over there. You can double click with the rectangle tool, which is a cool feature. Do that. And now you're noticing what you're creating here. It's sort of, those real blocks have these little indentations. And I know this is a little bit intricate, but it ends up looking, that one doesn't look as good. Now I want to move it. I think I could take the move tool and just pull this down just a bit. Yep, I can. So I did that. Okay, and finally for this, we're just about done. I know it's a little intricate. Just about done. You want to do this. Delete the straight line. And now you're left with like these 4 angled things. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I then do push-pull. I'm going to push this back in 0.25. And I'm also going to push each one of these in 0.25. And it's going to really give it, once this happens on more, it really gives it a cool look. So what you can do is you can click with the pointer and hold shift and click the back wall of each of these. Now you can do Control C, Control V for copy paste. And now you have this design. And you could put this design here. And then you could push that back again, and you could paste it and go this way.